for those of you who have a Mac Mini with limited ports and yeah, limited connectivity, this thing is a fantastic idea. From Hagbis, this dock from Hagbis is designed for Mac Mini with the SSD enclosure and NVMe enclosure. They're different depending on the model number you get. With this hub, you're getting 3 USB 3.0 connection ports, SD card readers, micro SD card, and regular SD card. There is USB Type-C, which is rated at 10 gigabits per second. The LED lights, which is designed for indicating the hard drive reading and writing status. In the back, there's a USB-C input and the USB-C pass-through connection. Okay, I will use it with my Mac Mini by connecting this one single cable to the USB-C-A port. And the Mac Mini is only running at 8 watts. You know, before the connection of the hard drive, it was 6.4 watts. Driving this portable monitor, that is consuming about 5 watts. So Mac Mini is usually around 2 watts. Now with the hard drive attached, the power consumption is 12 watts right now. Gonna zoom in. I find that these numbers really interesting. Then when I'm gonna test when it's sleeping. Okay, I'm gonna test the sleep mode. When it's sleeping, you can see the power consumption drop to 10 watts. I think it will, yeah, it will keep dropping to around 6 or 7 watts. 3.6 watts right now. 4 watts. Anyway, by adding this enclosure, increases the power consumption as well as the connectivity of the ports. It can be positioned at the top of the Mac Mini or at the bottom of the Mac Mini. Yeah, so the build and finish is almost the same as the Mac Mini, but I have a lot of scratches here on top because I tend to move it around a lot. I've been using it for about 1.5 years, I think. Now I'm gonna wake it up. I also have the 500 GB SSD card connected. Okay, that's logged in. I have 1 TB SSD with a 512 GB NVMe M2 storage hooked up here. I wish this thing is touchscreen. That would be awesome. Yeah, so I have 1.5 TB storage added to the Mac Mini, which is awesome. And if you grab the okay, let me show you these drivers inside. I'll use my electric screwdriver and open it up. I can pick a really small screwdriver, precision screwdriver. Okay, open it up. As you can see, I have 2 SSDs connected to this machine, which are represented by these 2 icons on my desktop. and it's not a good idea to hot swap them. So, you know, I'll just put this plate back. I guess it's okay to disconnect them when you are not writing data into these drives, but it's never a good idea to do so. Anyway, check it out. I'm gonna put these screws back. Very tiny, be careful, don't lose those screws. As it's hard to find a replacement. You probably can, but you know, it's a hassle. Already lost one screw.